A very good morning, dear friends. I once again welcome you in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Davi. This is our legal disclaimer. Kindly read it once. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind attention and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed episode number 7 to 11 of the Corona series World. Part number 1 to 5, and also working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefits. This is the present condition of the world. Nearly 19.43 million persons are infected from the COVID-19 or the corona. Nearly 7.21 lakh persons have been died due to the corona, and nations are racing with each other, and very soon the India will be at that position number 2nd and will defeat the Brazil in the front of the corona. We have discussed some of the techniques, some of the logical techniques to cure the corona or the COVID-19 with the use of the body electricity or the chi energy. This is the very in the nutshell. These are the 8 techniques which we have discussed in our previous episodes. Kindly refer these techniques in the detail in the previous episodes. In the nutshell, technique 1 was the Ujjayi breathing. This is the oceanic breathing or the victorious breathing. This is for the using of the available energy to fight with the corona. Technique 2 is of the Bhastrika pranayam or the Bhastrika breathing or the bellow breathing. This is for the generation of the body electricity or the generation of the chi energy by which we are able to fight the corona. The technique 3 was to do the Anulom Vilom breathing or the alternate nostril breathing. By this we can use the generated energy in our body, and it will be stable and digested in our body. The energy is the same, just like the chi energy of the China or the body electricity, which regulate our complete body and the nerve system. The technique 4 is the use the traditional vegetarian food or the herb. The effect will be very much multifold of that particular herb or the food. You can refer it in the previous episodes. Technique 5 was concentrate the limited generated energy on the breathing circuit only. As we have the very limited body electricity, that's why we have to use it, every penny of it. Sub technique 6 was again start the Anulom Vilom breathing or the alternate nostril breathing. It will be helpful to concentrate our precious energy in the breathing circuit only. And the sub technique 7 was the use the Moolabandha or the root lock with the energetic or the vibrative state of the body. It will be helpful in prevention of the energy wastage, no energy wastage in the lower part of the body, and it will be helpful so that we can use our precious body electricity in the upper part of the body, because the corona is related with the upper part of the body and the breathing circuit only, as we know all. The technique 8 was very powerful technique, the bhakti or the devotion or the surrender to the true spiritual or the religious leaders, so that we can fight with the corona. And the bhakti is king of all the techniques, but still miles to go by the humanity to fight with the corona or the COVID-19. The technique can be broadly categorized into the karma, jnana and the bhakti. Dear friends, as we are using some of the scientific terms like the natrium for the sodium or the aurum for the gold, these are the Latin language. Similarly, we have to refer some of the spiritual Indian language. That's why we are referring it to the main language only. That's why the karma, the things which can be done, technique 1, 2, 3, 6 and the 7, you can do something on it. As much you can do, the helpful will be the technique for you. The jnana, the things which can be felt. The more your feeling power is, the more your feeling power is, the more will be the helpful technique, the technique number 5. You kindly refer in the previous episodes for it. And the technique 8 was the bhakti or the devotion or the surrender. In nutshell, all the techniques we have clearly mentioned in the previous episodes, in the 5 episodes, but some of the things which we have to discuss that are better for us in general. In nutshell, The corona or the COVID-19 is a very serious threat, whether it is a man-made and the accidentally spread, the man-made and the deliberately spread. It may be of the natural or the accidentally spread, or it may be of the natural or the deliberately spread by some of the nation or the human. But whatever will be there, this will be dealt by the universal and the cosmic law of the cause and effect. This the cause and effect or the karma niyam is regulating complete cosmos and the complete universe. The God can forgive, but the justice cannot forgive us. That's why it may be very brutal for that country, or it may be very brutal for that persons, because they are the cause to cheat the complete humanity for their own benefit. And the culprit nations can fool the complete humanity once, but strictly not for all the time. It is guaranteed. And the justice is just the delayed but not the denied. Beware, this is the dark age in which we all are living. It is known for the speedy justice. The dark age is known for the speedy justice. That's why we can expect very fast cause and effect for that particular nation or for that particular persons who are behind it, if it is a man-made disease and man-made spread. Whatever happened, it has happened. We cannot do anything for it. This is our present, and this pandemic is to be honored by wholehearted. Moment is very much painful due to the COVID-19. Presently, no foolproof medicine is there or the vaccine is there. We are expecting that in some days or the couple of the month, some of the research laboratories or some of the companies will search some of the cure which will not harmful for our humanity. But whether it is available or not available, the person who is at from the poor countries, who do not have budget or who do not have some kind of a fund with them, they will be the most sufferer. That's why we have to use this kind of the alternate energy techniques so that we can cure ourselves from the corona. And these are very powerful techniques. If you will do it, then certainly you will get benefited by it. Hence, the spread till the last patient, it will be very problematic. Hence, these alternative techniques described based on the cosmic spiritual science and the universal energy, which we are telling, like the body electricity or the chi energy, will help you, your family, your nation, and the humanity in the large. All the technique mentioned in this episode number 7 to 11, part 1 to 5 of the Corona series world are 100% working. If you are doing it religiously, then certainly I do not have to tell you anything. You are feeling it, that whether you are feeling the vibration or not, and how to use this vibration, how to use this energy, you have to think about it, as I have mentioned in the previous episodes. And these are the 100% working techniques since thousands of the years, because these are based on the universal and the cosmic rules, spiritual science and the cosmic energy. We are not new for it. We are just telling it because of the corona. But all the civilization, all the nations, all the religions knowing it very well since the thousands of the years. There are thousands of the methods are there for energy generation. You can refer how to generate the chi energy in the YouTube. You will get ample techniques for it. But we have just told you one single technique, because time is very precious, dear friends. That's why we cannot talk all the concept in these small Corona series. We will tell anything, all the things in the concept series, and I am not in the hurry for the concept series. But the Corona series is very much important and the need of the hour. That's why we are discussing to the point things, and what are the most beneficial techniques so that our humanity can conquer the corona. There are the thousands of the methods for the energy generation, and they work in the same manner, just like the solar, wind or the thermal. All type of the energies, all type of the technologies produces the same energy. It may be of the solar energy, wind energy, thermal energy, oceanic energy, bio energy. Electricity is same for all the technique. The same thing is there. There are the thousand of the methods to generate the body electricity or the chi energy, but the energy will be the same for all the persons. Okay, because this energy, the cosmic energy, it may be same in the dog. Sorry, it is same in the dog, same in the ant, same in the deity, same in the god, same in the humans. That's why it is regulating complete universe, complete cosmos. Today, humanity is struggling with the corona or the COVID-19. Tomorrow, there may be another unknown disease, because the man's destructive mind and the ego may create another biological weapon in the laboratory. Hence, these energy cure techniques will work on the future disease also. Humanity is struggling with itself because human ego is so much. We are destroying each other. None of the species is there. It may be of the dog, it may be of the cat, who are destroying their own fellow. But humans have very much destructive mind. That's why they are planning to completely destroy our planet. As we know that the nuclear weapons, we can destroy Earth 7,000 times due to the nuclear weapons. This much hate is with us, with the humans. That's why we have to take care of that aspect also. That's why these energy technique will be helpful for the future disease also, which are a kind of the bioweapons. Fact, the China's Wuhan lab or the refrigerator have the greater than 1500 another viruses. Kindly be aware of that. And dear friends, night may be very dark, but not remain in front of the earthen pot, in front of the light. And we have discussed about the sun energy, which is far powerful than the black energy or the sin or the sickness like the corona or the COVID-19. These are the techniques work with all the world religion. It may be Christian, it may be Hinduism, it may be the Islamic, it may be the Baha'i, it may be the Jewish, it may be the Judaism, it may be for the Mayan civilization. If, dear friends, you have the complete body, if you have the human body, the techniques will work and will work. I can guarantee you for that. And these are the techniques working with the body electricity or the chi energy. That's why these are working with the all human bodies, whether he, she, or no gender, mixed gender. He may be the blind or the deaf or the dumb or anyone who is the primary energy circuit, which I have mentioned clearly here. What is the meaning of the primary energy circuit? This is the torso to mind, without hands and legs. This is our primary energy circuit of the human body. If it is available, then the techniques will work on you positively. And I believe that as you are seeing the Google, as you are seeing this particular video in the YouTube, that's why you are alive, and the techniques will be helpful for you. And dear friends, the effect will happen if you do it for the technique number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and the 7. This is the karma way. If you feel it, the technique number 5, this is the jnana way. If you believe in your God, deity, Messiah, if this is called as a bhakti way. And this is the KGB. This is the way of the being, and this is the secret of the cosmos. This is the secret of the universe in the very simple way. I can talk in very heavy language, but need of the hour is to tell the complex things in the very simple way, so that the humanity can benefit it, so that you can benefit it, so that your family can be benefited in the tough time of the corona. And dear friends, there is a difference in between knowing the 1000 attribute of a sweet dish and tasting a sweet dish. If you know 1000 of the things about a particular sweet dish, but you do not have tasted it, then you do not know what is the test of it. That is the useless to know the 1000 attributes of that particular things. The same thing is there. The difference is there in between mere knowing and doing. You are watching thousands of the video per week, but on this particular technique, if you are devoting nearly 1 hour, this means the 4% of your life, then certainly you will get benefited. Or if you will just see it and forget it, it's your own problem. Kindly wait for the allopathy, kindly wait for the government, kindly wait for the God so that he can do it. But these are the technique by which you can cure yourself. I can say it. And dear friends, in the disclaimer I have clearly said, if you like it, then kindly proceed it. But here I am saying once again, if you are experienced a good result, then only kindly spread it, kindly spread the techniques to fight with the community spread of the corona. Because the corona is nowadays community spread is there. That's why we need to community spread the cure also. The cure is also to be communal spread. And dear friends, kindly give your 100%. There is a difference in between the normal headache and its normal cure with the penny price tablets versus the chemotherapy level effort for the cancer. As for the cancer, we are paying million of the rupees. For the cancer, we are devoting our so much time. That's why for the techniques, we can spare nearly 1 hour, 4% of our life, so that we can get benefited. And the persons who are more affected, like our lifesaver doctors, law enforcer, police, working for the livelihood or the working for the essential services, kindly work on the techniques at least for the 1 hour or the 4% of your day. Nearly 14.4 minutes are comprising 1% of our life. That's why the 4% we can do some good to cure with the corona. Rest of the 96% of your time you can do whatever your life is demanding to do. Kindly do in the clean or the non-corona place like the home, etc., instead of the virus prone areas like the hospital, because I have told you the technique which are related with the breath, like the Bhastrika or anything. If you will take the more viruses in the virus prone area, the technique will be tough to get the result. That's why kindly do it in the home. Kindly be confident that the humanity is greater than disease. Humanity has conquered many problems in its journey, and certainly this time once again we will conquer the Corona 19 or the COVID-19 if we will help ourselves. And I bow to God situated in you. May all the sentiment being be at the peace. May no one suffer from the illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Om, peace, peace and the peace. Corona series for the world gets finished from my side, dear friends. Now it is your time to do the things. If further any kind of the discussion is there, any kind of the queries is there, kindly mail or the comment. This is the once again summary, and I will not bore you. Kindly refer it. Techniques are looking very simple yet very powerful in the result if you do it. And the Corona series ends from my side, dear friends. Once again, the Armageddon will be won by the humanity. The Titanic will not sink this time, and Noah's Ark will touch the land 101%. If there are any kind of the questions, doubts, feedbacks, suggestions or the critics are there, that can be sent at the davi.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the South Pole, or Aladdin from the Oriental world. You may be the Dr. Minnie Mouse from the North Pole or the Dr. Jasmine from the Occidental world. I am always available for you, dear friends, and the concept series are waiting for you, and I will do my the best to cure the problems if you have the faith on me and the ancient science of the old civilizations. Thank you, dear friends, for watching. Happy times and good day, dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, bow to you. Namaste.